Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a pumpkin cut crease. We're just gonna be needing 3 colors. Anyway, let's just get right into the video.
Met her in the club, all the ballers showing love. Can you party with a thug? I'm just trying to show you love.
So first, should I zoom minimize? Yeah, I should. Okay, so minimize in 3, 2, 1. Hey, just playing. But first, I'm gonna be what I always do. I'm prime them, not prime. Yeah, prime. I'm gonna be going in with my concealer. I don't know, like that. Yeah. Oh, I'm in the shade. Once again, I really don't know what shade is this, but yeah, like that. And then blend with my beauty blender. And I'm gonna set it with, you already know, Fit Me, everything. Okay, we're gonna be priming. Setting it with our loosen powder. Whatever you have. Okay, after we're done, we're gonna be going in with our new palette. It's called, I'm gonna be going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil. It's like that. I'm gonna be going in with this color. And this brush is an E.L.F Fluffy Eye Blender. We're just gonna be adding that on our crease. That's like a pink color, to be honest. We're gonna be going in with this brush. Like that. Is that an orange? Yeah, it's an orange. Okay, we're just gonna be like building the color. And then with this brush, we're gonna go and blend. I look chinita. And we're gonna be doing that a couple times until it's dark enough. This is like a bright color, bro. It's like so pretty, guys. She's getting there. She's getting there. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Just like that. And we blend. Oh, I'm looking here because my mirror is right here. Straight. So, yeah. Just like that. Then we're done blending. Look at it. Should I zoom? No, I'm already zoomed in. Just like that. Blended. Okay, no. Oh, how do you do this? Whoa. Now that we're done with that color, we're gonna be going in with my Oh, what happened? Anyways, going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. And we're gonna be going in with the dark. This one. The only black that I have. And we're gonna be tapping that. And we're gonna be adding that on our crease. I took so much. We're gonna be building that. Oh, we gotta close our eyes. Just on the crease right there. We're not building it all the way up because we want the orange, And now we blend with this brush from Ulta. It's like small, but we blend. Doesn't want to blend, so we're going in with this comb. Once again, we're bringing it out. Okay, now we're going with this brush because I guess my brushes don't want to blend. Whoa! Girls like you, yeah. Girls like me. Okay, I'm gonna be doing the other eye off camera because it's so hard to blend. And I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back. Now that we look ugly, we're gonna be cutting our crease with this brush. It's dirty. Y'all can't see it. But we're gonna be cutting our crease with this. And we're gonna be winging it out. Like that. I'm gonna be doing that the other eye fast. Okay, and then after we're done, we're gonna be setting it with our loosen powder. I'm gonna be going in with brush from E.L.F and just tapping that. like that. Dang, that looks so pretty. And then after, we're gonna be, not this, we're gonna be going in with should we do Morphe? Yeah, we're going in with the Morphe with this first color and the second color. I'm gonna be mixing that both and adding it on right here. I keep forgetting what they call it every time I do makeup. Look, it's so weird. Just letting y'all know, I do not have many brushes, so go deal with that. Just kidding. I guess we're gonna be going in with the same brush. Okay. This one, like that, and like that. So tap, 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 tap. We just tap. Ooh, this is an ugly color. I'm just playing. We should have just left it like that. Look, it's like too white. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have like, it looks like it's blended all together. I'll fix that later. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're gonna be going in. I was gonna go in with this color, but we're gonna be using the glitter eyeshadow. It's like that. We're gonna be using this color, and we're gonna be going in with our glue. Okay, we're gonna do this good. What kind of brush are you? We're gonna be going in with this brush. It's like that. I used to use it for my eyeshadow. I mean, eyebrow. Okay, let's start. Y'all wanna see? You gotta get closer. Just like that. And then we're gonna go in with this. Just like that. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna go. Like that. Okay, I did the other eye off camera because this was not working, to be honest. It was pissing me off so bad. Okay, now we're just doing the same thing at the bottom eye. Going in with this brush. I mean, I really don't do them, but I mean, today's the day, you know. Oh wait, wrong brush. We're not using that one. We're using this brush. It's by E.L.F. and it has a hair. That is disgusting. Okay. Like that. And added that on the bottom of our eye. Like an eyeliner. Same thing on the other eye. It burns my eyes. I did it wrong. Okay, like that. And then with this brush. I look so no offense. Okay, now we're going with the orange and adding it on the bottom. Just like that. Now we're adding an eyelash from E.L.F. I already took them off. Multi-diamond lashes for full volume and length. If you want a discount, use my code Raquel101. Just kidding. Anyways, we're curling our eyelashes. Like that, adding with our volume. Okay, we're gonna be adding our lashes in 3, 2, 1. Now that we're done with our makeup, I'm gonna be going in. Well, I'm not going to be in. I'm gonna be doing my makeup off camera because, like I said, it takes really long. So see you guys in a bit, guys. Okay, guys, this is the final look. Oh, dang. That like popping. I look weird, to be honest. Like, but yeah, I'm gonna be linking on the description bar what I use for my makeup, since I didn't record it, you know, because it takes forever. Who has time for that? I know you can't see the orange because I don't know, I took it off, I guess. Comment down below if you like it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notified every single time I post a new video, because you don't want to miss no makeup looks or pranks, challenges, you know. But yeah, I'll be back next week. Oh, my nose is so shiny. Like, I think I put too much. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your money. I'm just kidding. But yes, I gotta go. I love you.